What's up everybody, Jake here. I am inside the panel of a Cody gripper Lowerator, and I want to show you guys how to set the acceleration deceleration for the gripper motors. So my grippers are running right now. I have my discharge clear sensor right here in the front. When I block that, I want it to stop pretty quick, and when it's unblocked, start up pretty quick. So how do we actually make that change in the VFD? So I'm gonna go to my VFD, hit the green button and go to configure, and then gonna go to full. I'm then gonna go to set, and then I have acceleration, which I have mine set to 0.5. Go back, and then I also have deceleration, and I have that set to 0.5 as well. And then you hit escape and go all the way back. The reason that we want this acceleration and deceleration set pretty low is because once that sensor is triggered and then we have cans in front of it, we want that to stop on a dime, basically. So you can go as low as 0.1, but usually 0.5, 0.3 is about as low as you need to go. I think when they come from the factory, they're set to 3, which is really high. So go ahead and set it a lot lower.